Today's Tuesday, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video, I'm gonna try to make a few analysis to show you my bias and what I'm expecting today from the market on Euro USD. Yeah, it's very simple concept, guys. The price action literally here consolidating very strongly. Yeah, right now the price action pull back, make a lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. Right now, if the price action eventually will gonna come to this area, this is gonna be my area of interest. The reason why you're gonna ask me is very simple. We have here a very beautiful zone, a lot of touches, yeah. And what I'm expecting right now, because let me just paint here a little bit, yeah. The price action, what actually likes to do all the time, likes to do that, take the low and then move higher, and keeps taking the people's position, yeah. That's what Euro USD, basically the market does all the time. So I'm trying to don't be on that trap. I'm trying to win a trade. So that's my point of interest, yeah. So from here, if just in case the price action will eventually come to my zone, from here I won't take buys because I will see from here a lot of people are gonna start taking buys because it's a break and retest and they will try to take the price higher, yeah. Me personally, I'm gonna try to take here sells. It's gonna look something like that. I'm gonna put my stop loss above these highs, like it's gonna create kind of a head and shoulders or whatever, and I'm gonna take the price action down to this low because this is basically the move that took all those highs, yeah. And it's gonna be like a 1.5 risk to reward, very simple trade, very common, and we will see if the price action eventually will represent me an entry for this particular trade. So we'll see how the price action will develop, and obviously, as usual, you can leave a like, a comment if you do have any questions, and wait for the results of developing of this trade. Stay tuned. Guys, so let's see what happened. Basically, I'm in the trade right now, but the price action basically start moving up, yeah, and now starts making his move back down, yeah. And how I say it, if just in case the price action will gonna get to my beautiful zone, yeah, from here I'm gonna take sells to take this low. I'm not sure how everything will gonna move now. The only thing what I can see is we are in profit. That's my open trade, and we will see how the price action will develop. Make sure you're gonna leave a thumbs up, and yeah, guys, as usual, wait for the updates. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm sad to say, but unfortunately we did get a loss today. Look at this beautiful entry, yeah. We literally just stopped in and moved straight to the stop loss, and that's fine. That's totally fine with me, guys, because the trading is like that. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But at the end of the day, guys, if you're still winning more than you lose, then you're a profitable trader. So if you're that type of trader, then congratulations. But if you are the type of trader who wins every single trade, then congratulations, you're a fake guru. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, how I'm making those, live trades, I try to share with you like the reality of my trading personally. I'm not telling you that I'm the best trader ever, but yeah, I just sharing my thoughts, my process, and how I'm getting stopped out, how I'm getting winning trades. And I do hope one day I'm gonna pass my FTM account, but listen, it is what it is. Stay tuned for my next one, and don't forget to like. Peace.